So now let's see how we can utilize the difference of Gaussians filter inside of GIMP. So here I have a picture, and in order to apply the difference of Gaussians filter, I'm going to go around over here onto filters, and then I'm going to go around over here onto sDetect. And over here you can see that difference of Gaussian is an option. And once you do that, you can see that it detects out the edges right here, just like this. So you can go around, change around the radius right here to change around the sharpness of the picture. Then you can change around the radius too around over here as well, and then change around the Gaussians right here, just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see. And if I were to go around onto the blending mode, I can go around over here, and then let's say, for example, add and subtract and do whatever I want right here. So I can go around and screen it and so forth, just like this, as you can see right here. Apart from that, you can work around with opacity, as you can see right here. And then over here, you can see that I got the preview around over here as well. So you can see the before and after. And you can work around with the split view as well to see the before and after around over here as well. So if you are happy with what you see right here, you can simply go around and press OK, and then it'll be applied. And that is simply how you can apply difference of Gaussians filter inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.